Now, these are 5 things that I do in order to survive a recession and bear market, because last week was tough. Why? Because when a lot of negative news is out there, the overall negativity is high. And we know we had Friday the 13th, and we heard how a lot of crimes were committed during that weekend and so on, and a lot of negative stuff. And I pray for people's families in whatever type of religion you are. Pray that things get better, because they will get better, and think about the things progressively that they're getting better. But the first thing that I do is stay healthy, do some exercise, 10 minutes of exercise, eat a little bit healthier, do some less fried stuff, because that will get your negativity overall down. Do some less sugary stuff and so on. Number 2 is turn off the news. Walk away from the news, because the news is all negative. And what do you gain from negative news? At the beginning, when I started investing, oh my God, I was tied to the news. I was getting these butterflies in my stomach. I don't get them anymore, because now I analyze news and I attempt to figure out how I can take it to invest in reference to what the news is talking about. I attempt to live my life. Before, I was worried when I started, and I expect a lot of people, as they start out, to get worried and, oh my God, my money is lost. It's only lost if you cash out. It's not lost if you keep it in. If you keep it in. Now, obviously, there are very few that will crash, just like Terra Luna and crypto. It crashed. Will it come back? It seems to be like people want it to come back, but it's not coming back yet. I haven't looked at it lately, but I haven't invested in, but we'll see it tomorrow or the day after and see how it's doing. Avoid taking it personally. What do you gain from taking the situation of the stock market and crypto personally? Avoid dreaming of perfection. All right. You can visualize it, you can dream it, but the reality is, if you take it literally, then you're at a loss. Take it figuratively, as in, eventually you will have perfection. You will have it working for you, but don't take it as in, tomorrow I'm going to have double my returns. What do you gain from that? Not much. Listen, if you want to double your bank account, why don't you invest in your knowledge account, so your money market account will grow multiplied? Until tomorrow, where we'll look at another part of investments in reference to healthy investing. Take care.